How to recover Google account without email or phone number. For this, open your Google and search for Google support. From here, tap on Google Help, which is the first suggestion shown at the very top. Right here, you have to go ahead and select Google account. Then scroll down. You will find the option of Post to the Help community. Go ahead and tap on it. You can go ahead and describe your issue here. However, we will scroll down and tap on Post a question. So right here, you have to write a summary of your issue. For an example, I'll be writing recover my account or recovering my account. Then after that, in the main description box, you have to write your problem, that is to recover your Google account, but you don't have access or remember your Gmail or your phone number. Once you do that, in the category section, select account access and recovery. And once you do that, just go ahead and post it. You will be getting some of your solutions through here. So make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.